Alden Richard update. May video grid pa nga si Alden sa Bini. Ayan, grabe nga yun. Ito yung video. Masigawan pa nga. Pinakita sa screen si Alden. Sa interaction ng Bini. Signature ni Alden. During BYD. Pagdating namin sa World Trade Center. Nagay mo mga pansin na dyan. POD, may pogi. Yung iba hindi si Alden Richards, yun o. Ambassador ng BYD. Dahil mga pansin na rin dyan.
You know, Alan, what can you say about BYD's practicality and efficiency?
Well, Sir Matt, I think owning a BYD are one of the best for purchasing an electrified because of its efficiency, its sustainability, alongside with power and convenience. I was never wrong with that decision. Sobrang happy ako na I was able to experience the car prior to being part of BYD. So, to really talk about it.
Wow. Maraming salamat natin for believing in the brand. Your experience reflects.
Ito pa yung mga picture ni Alden. Napunta siya ng Manila Hotel for White Flower endorsement niya. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard in Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.